Welcome to the Banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by readying 2 layers, a base background and a top layer you want to blend. Once done, convert the top layer to a smart object or duplicate it so you can revert changes. This keeps edits non-destructive. Now click the blending mode menu and pick a family, multiply for darkening, screen for brightening, overlay for contrast. Make an initial choice, then lower layer opacity to 50–80% to gauge effect. You'll refine these settings in the next steps. Now focus on control. Add a layer mask to the blended layer and paint with a soft brush to isolate the effect. This prevents global overprocessing. Then link or clip adjustment layers like curves or hue/saturation to the blend layer so changes affect only that composite. If colors shift too much, switch to luminosity mode to preserve luminance or use color mode to preserve hue. Make small opacity nudges and toggle the mask visibility to compare before and after. Finish by evaluating overall balance. Zoom to 100% and toggle the blended layer on and off to check impact. When happy, convert the stack to a smart object and save a layered PSD copy for future edits. Export flattened files for delivery. If you see banding or posterization, switch to 16-bit or add very low noise to smooth gradients. And if colors look off, try luminosity or color modes, or apply a selective color correction, clip to the blend layer to fix shifts without losing detail.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.